How to change the size and style of the clock that appears on your lock screen. And this is for the Galaxy A55 smartphone, Android 14 One UI 6.0. You can do this two ways. If you currently have your lock screen enabled or simply no lock screen, you can long press the blank area on your lock screen like this here, and you'll notice the option to edit them appears like this. And this will only work if you currently don't have a lock screen password set up. However, if that is not the case here, you want to go ahead and swipe up like this, go into the main settings of your Samsung phone right here, tap the settings, and go to where it says wallpapers and style. Okay, you can go here and tap here and you'll be able to edit your clock. Another way is long press a blank area on your home screen like this, go to wallpaper here, and once you see this here, you can tap there. All right, so these are the different ways of getting into that, so you can try it out. Now, once you're here, you can tap there on the clock itself, and you can choose the style of font by selecting these different styles here. All right. And once you're done, you can also choose the style of the clock if you want. All right, so there's different styles in case you didn't know. Then on top of that here, you also get the colors of the font. Okay, so if you want something to kind of like stand out on your wallpaper, you can go ahead about it doing that. Okay, so for me now, I'm gonna go with green because that kind of sticks out a bit more. Then once you're done, of course, you can press done or expand the size of it. That's how you would make it bigger if that's what you were looking for. That's the biggest it can go. And once you're done, be sure to press done and make sure it says changes applied. And then now when you go back on your lock screen, you're going to see that huge gigantic clock here. And you can change it at any given time, like and sub.